just regular pizza, a low-calorie option that you can enjoy every single day and not feel really guilty about it. And that's what we like on this channel. So for this recipe, I'm gonna show you a few ingredients, a few vegetables that I put it on, but you can use any single vegetable that you possibly wanna include in that pizza. I'm also gonna share with you my favorite pizza sauce recipe. You're gonna be so surprised how simple it is and how delicious it tastes. I couldn't believe how easy it was to make. This is from now on my favorite pizza sauce recipe. So the only thing we have to do right now is go over the ingredients and start preparing pizza. I am using lavash bread. It holds its shape well and it tastes good. And as you can see, it is quite large. Per manufacturer, it has only 60 calories per serving, but look closer and you will notice that the serving is actually a half of the piece and not the whole sheet. One serving is 32 grams and 6 grams of protein, and I am going to use the whole sheet. So the whole sheet, that means 120 calories. Next are the toppings. Tomato sauce recipe follows. Cheese, I have here low-calorie Swiss cheese and fresh mozzarella. Prosciutto, a great high-protein, low-calorie meat option. Peppers, mushroom, onion, and tomatoes. If you have more time, you can saute veggies to get rid of the water. Here's an example. I chose mushroom as they have lots of water. On a preheated non-stick pan without any oil, lay mushroom, making sure you do not overcrowd them, just one layer at a time. Leave them alone for a couple of minutes and they start releasing water and shrinking. See their little water bubbles. Do not stir until the bubbles completely disappear. It's a sign that the mushroom starts browning. Give it enough time to brown but not burn, and start flipping them to the other side. Repeat the process, meaning brown them on the other side. That is what you want, light brown color and no oil or butter added. Pretty cool if I can say so myself. Next, on to the tomato sauce. Easy breezy. 12 ounces of San Marzano style canned tomatoes. 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried oregano. The same basil, sea salt, and sprinkle some black pepper. All that is required now is blending all of this. And yes, you can use it on a pizza right away, but we are using a different crust, so I will reduce the sauce first slightly by cooking it for about 10 minutes until it thickens. The sauce can be stored in the fridge for at least a week and you can use it when needed. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and while it is preheated, you can put the lavash sheet there for just 5 minutes to just dry it up a bit. Spread the cooled tomato sauce on top of it and make sure to reach all the nooks and crannies for best possible flavor. Next, spread the cheese. Vegetables, the prosciutto. Make sure you don't oversalt it. I'm gonna season it at the end, but make sure you don't oversalt it because that tomato sauce has some salt in it. Also, prosciutto, it's quite salty, so make sure you don't go overboard. I like to sprinkle on the pizza before I put it in the oven with a little bit of extra oregano. That's optional. And right now you're gonna put it into preheated oven to 450 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes or more. Keep an eye on it, it burns quickly. Veggies, after taking them out, should look just cooked, and the prosciutto perfectly wilted, just like so. Edges browned pretty well. And using a pizza wheel, cut it into desired pieces. You can share it, or if you are anything like me, you are going to eat the whole thing. And who can blame you? It is delicious. I have been making this pizza for lunch quite often. Easy, quick to make, low in calories and high in protein. I mean, what else can you ask? Curious, what is your favorite pizza topping? Either low calorie one or high calorie? I'm just curious. Make sure you leave a comment below. And now I'm gonna dig into that. I'm gonna show you another clip when I made this recipe again and again and again. And on this one I put some jalapenos. I love it spicy. You can also at the end sprinkle it with some fresh, oh, not really that fresh, just crushed pepper flakes to have it even spicier. You can drizzle it with your favorite sauce like a sriracha. I love that too, or even serve it with some pickled jalapenos if you like spicy, just like myself. So I guess I'm just gonna enjoy this one, and you make sure that you watch these two videos, and I will see you on the next one.